सैटर्न जिनका भी 7th हाउस में है, आपको अपने रिलेशनशिप और मैरिज में लॉयल्टी निभाना है, और अगर आप नहीं निभाओगे तो सैटर्न आपको खत्म कर देगा, और ये बात गारंटीड है। एक पत्री देख रहा था और उस बंदे की कुंडली में सैटर्न 7th हाउस में है, राहु वीनस मर्क्यूरी का कंजंक्शन है, मर्क्यूरी बीइंग द 12th हाउस लॉर्ड ऑल्सो क्रिएटिंग अ कनेक्शन विद लग्ना। वो बंदा बोल रहा है मेरे को, आई कैन नॉट स्टे लॉयल टू माई गर्लफ्रेंड, आई हैव डेटेड हर फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स and I really love her. She means everything to me. I want to marry her. But I'm so addicted to infidelity that I don't see a path out of it. So I asked him, what do you want right now? Do you want to continue doing what you're doing, or do you want to get out of it? वो बंदा बोला, yes, I want to stay loyal. He said my career is also not on track. It's also creating hindrance in my relationship, which is messing up with my mental health. I told him very clearly, Venus, Rahu and your Mercury conjunction will definitely make you want to do it. But always remember, cheating is a choice. Your planets may give you an idea of doing something, but it's always your conscious decision. Saturn being in 7th house, if you're going to marry this woman and you're going to continue doing what you're doing, with your Saturn Mahadasha coming in a couple of years, you will be finished. He didn't listen to me. Saturn की महादशा आई, 2 साल हो गए, फिर आया मेरे पास कि अरियन भाई आपने जो बोला था एकदम सही बोला था, मेरे साथ वही हुआ। मैंने बोला वो लड़की है कि चली गई? तो बोला ऑलमोस्ट चली गई। मैंने बोला जाने दो, और आप जो आगे जो होगा वो भी तुम्हारा ही डिसीजन होगा। He really misses that girl even today, but he's learned the hard lesson. And this is how Saturn teaches you. It breaks you, it humbles you, it shows you कि तुम्हारी असली औकात क्या है अगर तुम वो गलत काम करोगे। आज वो बंदा बहुत डाउन टू अर्थ हो गया है। If you're on the right path, you are paying your karma, and once that karma is over and you're still doing the right path, Saturn will bless you. When the next person comes, relation निभाना, marriage निभाना, अगर निभाओगे तो Saturn आसमान में पहुंचा देगा। That is Saturn in 7th house. It can either make you or it can break you. The choice is yours. Saturn gets a Digbali position in the 7th house. It's a very strong position. A lot of people say it's a bad position. A lot of crorpatis and billionaires have Saturn in the 7th house. So Saturn is no joke. It's like that strict principal in your school. If you don't listen to him, if you don't follow his instructions, he's going to make things difficult for you. आप पहले ही सीख लो, पहले ही समझ जाओ, क्योंकि जब Saturn समझाएगा तब आपको एकदम भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। Whoever has Saturn in the 7th house, comment below and let me know how much of it resonates with you. Cheers.